Modern Manufacturing, brand new program. We're launching it fall 2020, first time we've had these classes, but it started about 2 years ago when we met with several industry leaders, and they were talking about the need to be able to fill production positions. Unemployment rate was so low that they couldn't find qualified people.
We're really excited about this program because, one, we helped develop it, so we had a lot of input into the program with Shelton State, and we designed it to fit our needs in manufacturing. So when a team member or a student comes into our organization now, they'll have the skills that they need, and we'll decrease the amount of training time that we have to do to our team members once we hire them.
The real value of modern manufacturing is that it gives students an opportunity to really see the value in their education. Yeah, if you complete this program, then you're at the least you will be at the top of the list of interviewees for any entry-level position in the plant.
It doesn't guarantee that somebody's going to get a job here for us, but it will actually put you in a stronger standing for a position because we definitely are looking for the experience, and we will be looking for that degree. If you have that degree, it will actually get noticed quicker than some of the other possibilities.
It's a great thing that Shelton State Community College has partnered up with the area businesses to focus on, what's needed, especially for jobs in this community. So for us to have someone with that type of degree in modern manufacturing, they understand manufacturing now. So they're going to come through the door contributing right away.
I can honestly say that, looking at the overall scope of our program, in a short period of time, people will gain knowledge that it would take, 10, 20 years to get on their own if they started without this.
So Shelton has been a great partner. Anytime we've needed anything, all we do is pick up the phone and call, and they're working as much as they can to figure out what programs that we need. They really listen to the employers in the area, not just us, but all of manufacturing, automotive, anybody in the area. What do you need? How can we help? And they've just been there. So we really like to support Shelton in their endeavors because we know in return they're going to be there for us.